It's my girl Ginger's birthday, so I'm gonna give her a ride in the RS5 and we can get her reaction. We're gonna go meet up with her right now and we'll see how she likes the car. Down in Southside right now. An absolutely beautiful day here in the Burgh. It's been sun thundering, which has been very interesting. She's not here yet. There she is.
You really are ridiculous.
Happy birthday.
Oh, thank you. Wow.
This will.
Like, do you want to go for a ride? I was like, it's going to be a treat.
What do you think?
I like it. The color of it is clean with the black logo on it. What is this? Like, is there carbon fiber in it?
Yeah, absolutely. It's the color is Nardo Gray. It's a famous Audi color.
Oh my god. Oh wow.
Right?
Oh wow.
Listen to this.
The pops. Oh, I'm so excited. Ooh. Oh, thank you.
There's a massage feature.
Oh, is it? Oh my god. Oh, is it? How fast is it going? Oh my god. I don't know, but I'm really excited. Are you gonna get pulled? Oh. 0 to 50 in a second. Oh. Marco. Oh. He's gone.
What do you think?
I hope you enjoy this footage. Oh my god.
It's just like there.
It literally just goes.
Yeah. I think it needs an exhaust really badly, but.
Smells like burgers. I like how you can hear the pops of the engine. Like, wow. Did you time it how long it takes to get from 0 to 60?
No.
You wanna do it? Okay, deal. Well, IceBurghs, it's one for the books.